HubJog will be the first communal hotel in Wandaruju village in a very short distance to Borobudur, offering 4 pillars of coast concept. It's going to be the space for people who want to live and work at the same time. Our first idea was to create a space to boost creative ideas while being away from home.
We are offering you a comfortable co-living space with all the smart facilities, amenities, and also services that balance stay, productivity, and also learning. Meanwhile, in our co-working space, we will have several indoor and also outdoor space with attached pool, garden, and also cafe. Whether you're a freelancer,
digital nomad,
startup owner,
researcher,
or a corporate member,
this place is designed for you. Once our co-living and co-working space are all set, we are ready to launch our co-giving and co-learning program for our future development. This program will enhance positive impact toward Wandaruju social, economic, and environment circumstances. As we notice that Jogja has become a birthplace of startup, we would like to invite them together with our HubJog members to do some skill sharing and brainstorming event as part of our co-giving and co-learning programs, taking their ideas to the next level.
Well now, how much does it cost to build this magnificent hotel? We will need $67,000 for land, $678,000 for hotel building, and $232,000 for facilities and utilities.
But don't be afraid,
we'll make sure 100% of your investment
will return on the 5th year as HubJog Communal Hotel operates. Feel free to contact us for further details.
And together, let's make HubJog Communal Hotel happen.